Welcome, friends. I hope everybody's doing well tonight. We here in Austin have had the craziest week of weather. Last week, this time was the temperature was 7 degrees, and currently today we are at 80 degrees. So we have gone from the snow apocalypse to trying to lay out and get a tan. That's what we're working with here. So I'm gonna enjoy it. 80, I'm good. 80 all day. It'll be 100 next week, so we're gonna appreciate the small glimpse of having really nice mild weather. Tonight, I wanted to show y'all just how easy it is to grill steaks on this. This unit is just comparable to a grill outside. So I wanted to show y'all what that would look like and how easy it is. I've already turned my unit on, it's warming up, so we're gonna put our steaks on and get started. Alright guys, tonight we are going to do some smoked asparagus with some steaks. We're going to do about 8 minutes per side, so I'm going to get the unit started. I'm going to get my wood chips in. We're going to get it started and I'll come in about 8 minutes and flip them. Alright guys, putting in my wood chips. Closing pressure lock door. Starting my engine. Alright guys, we should be ready to go. Let's take a look. Steaks out so you can see them.